court decisions.
After everyone has had their say in court, the judge is the last person to make the decision.
The judge gets a perspective from the division, and he gets the perspective about other people in your case. But when he hears how you feel, that makes such a big difference.
How does the judge, make a decision? Why do they say this, or why did they agree to do this? Well, the main thing that it always comes back to is, one is, your safety. Safety meaning, you're fed, you're clothed, you're 100% safe. That's their number one, their number one thing. So besides that, they listen to what your law guardian has to say. They listen to all sides, and they think about it, they try to think what's best for the youth, and sometimes what's best for the youth isn't always what we like, but, as we get older and we look back, we see that it's the best thing.
If the court rules something that you don't like, speak with your law guardian. Perhaps you can appeal.
There are times where you might ask for another hearing, or even appeal. Appeal means to ask a higher court to look at the decision.
Whether you get everything you want or not, it's still really important to go to court, because one, they're making decisions on your life. So if you're getting what you want or not, don't you want to be able to at least speak up for yourself? Because if they do something that you don't like and you didn't even speak up for yourself, then you're kind of really the only one to blame, because you didn't say anything. So they could just do whatever they want, what they feel is best, because they don't know what you want. And they probably think everything's okay because nobody's speaking.
There's always good reason to go to court, even if you think you might not get all the things that you're asking for. You likely will get some of the things that you are asking for, a lot of the things that you're asking for.
Even if you don't get what you request for, you're still developing. It's amazing because you're still developing those skills to be able to speak to someone, to be able to advocate, voice your opinion. Even if you don't get what you want, people still hear what you have to say. What you say is important no matter what, whether you get it or whether you don't get it. If you get it, the more the merrier. But even if you don't get it, people still hear what you have to say. You still develop those skills to be able to speak to people, let people know what you want or need. Because going out into the real world, not being able to voice your opinion, not being able to know how to speak to someone makes a difference whether you get something or not. So if you don't get what you want the first time, maybe the second time around, the judge sees that you're constantly there, you're constantly trying your best and keep them updated and let them know what's going on. So if you don't get it the first time, you might get it the second time. If you don't get it the second time, you get it the third time. It's not a matter of, I don't get what I want, so I'm not going to be there. No one cares about me. It's not like that at all.